Before we get into this video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for your boy. And if you haven't followed me on the gram yet, make sure y'all go follow your boy on Instagram, man. Y'all gonna see everything on there before YouTube. And shoot me a DM if you got any questions about anything. So y'all, back with another POV drive. Y'all, I ain't start the car up in like 3 days. About 3 days. But I was sitting in the crib, man. Need to make some content, so I'm finna give y'all another POV drive. So y'all can see I'm leaving the neighborhood right now. It's cold as fuck outside. Bro, it's about like, the car say 40, but bro, it's like 20, 30 degrees outside right now. And your boy needs some tires, so I'm taking a risk right here. So I'm gonna put the car in my custom mode, so it won't spin as bad. But I'm finna be getting some tires real soon. But I ain't drive the car in my like 2 to 3 days, so I was just doing shit. I really just want to drive this bitch right quick, so you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna stomp on it yet because it really been just sitting in the cold for a couple days. So I'm turn that seat warmer on and that steering wheel. I ain't lying, boy. Dodge came in clutch with that. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Y'all can see I'm coming with buku content for y'all boys, man. Y'all follow me on that gram too. Follow me on Instagram so y'all can see, so y'all can stay updated on everything. And yeah, girl. So y'all, it's cold as a bitch, man. Trying to go this way. I think I want to go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Ooh, this bitch spinning bad. Yeah, I'm gonna need some tires ASAP, bro. This shit's so dangerous. And it's cold as fuck. Look, there you go. That bitch say 28 degrees. It's 28 degrees right here, right now. Y'all see that bitch spinning? That bitch is not even, you know what I'm saying? That bitch is even not trying to go nowhere. That's like how bad it's spinning. Watch, I'm gonna put the traction in sport and y'all can see. Like y'all can actually see when the car spins. Cause when it's in street mode, it bogs it down so it don't spin as much as it can. So hopefully I don't run into a ditch and that shit, man. I'm gonna try to hold this bitch. You better get off my ass. Y'all see that shit, bro? That bitch is spinning bad as a bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get some tires ASAP. But I was driving this bitch in the rain the other day. That bitch was just hydroplaning every turn I took. I'm gonna have to go get me some tires ASAP, bro. I wish I had some tires, man. I swear I wish I had some tires. Cause if y'all don't know, bro, when it's cold outside, son, your car be so much faster. It's like it give it nitrous, man. It's like, bro, your car love yeah. You know what I'm trying to say. That cold, y'all know what that cold weather do. Let me see how much the look, bro, this bitch sucking in 32 degrees in the intake, in the engine. That's cold as fuck. And I got the Hellcat air box, so the air box sucking right there in that hole in the headlight, so it's getting all the air that it can possibly get. So this bitch really breathing good as a bitch right now. Throw that bitch back. I'm gonna turn the traction back on so this bitch won't get out of control and shit. Y'all can see, man, your boy got one of them little things, one of these little foam holders, tripod. It's so much easier to record. POV Drive. 392 Challenger. We'll roll down the window for y'all, but it's too cold to be doing all that shit. It's a little too hot in this bitch now. That heater don't play. Hey, look at this bitch ass nigga, man. All on my ass. Big fat nasty ass. That ugly ass car. I'm gonna slap shit out of him. Hold on. Let me whip this bitch right quick. Man, y'all seen that fucking V6 SRT with a hellcat on side of? Man, they be flashing out here. These niggas toe up. They be faking it, man. You can't, man, stop all that faking, bro. Damn, man. Niggas be having V6s, they put hellcat badges on the side. At least a RT badge. They wanna go hellcat, red eye type shit. Nigga know damn well there ain't no fucking hellcat red eye. Camaro just passed me up. See if we can find like a little car we can fuck with. I bet I still a whoop a nigga ass out here. Still all that. Ain't I'm spinning, man. I bet I whoop a nigga ass spinning, man. This a Scatpack right here. This ain't no Scatpack, no snack pack. This is a Scatpack. Tell him. Any track hawk can get on the road. I promise you. Track hawk, hellcat Durango. I bet a hellcat Durango. I mean, hellcat Durango and track hawk won't pull on side this bitch. They dead. They over with. What you gonna do? Alright, do it with you. You don't want no problem. I'll put that bitch up. I don't be having shit out here, no Scat, Camaro, no Mustang. I wish I would catch a Camaro or Mustang. I'ma put that bitch up, boy. Ain't no better. I don't know why everybody feel like calling me. That's why I need to go ahead and give me a camera, man, or another phone, and use one phone to record. What I really need to be doing is calling some tire shops and see if they got some tires. Yeah. I want some 275. I had 315s, but I'm not gonna put 315s back on here. The 315s is like too fucking big. I mean, it looked good, it fitted good, but like it slowed me down a little bit on top end. Like them big ass tires. Like if y'all ain't no big ass, like putting big ass tires on your car, if you don't have no tune or nothing on that bitch, it'll slow it down. And I ain't got no tune or nothing on my shit. I just got little bolt on parts and that's it. But that's not enough to pull them big ass tires. Hey, driving so slow. Come on, man, let me get over, bro. What you hitting the brakes for? They riding around with their fucking windows down like it's not 27 degrees out here. These niggas be tripping. Them boys be flashing out here. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. It'll only take like 2 seconds, bro. We at 850 right now. We almost at 900. Let's hit that 900, and then we're gonna work our way up to that 1,000 mark, to that 5,000 mark, 10,000 mark, and so on. But y'all gotta hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. And y'all comment down below or DM me on Instagram and let me know what kind of videos y'all wanna see. Cause I'll put them bitches out there for y'all. Y'all just gotta let me know what kind of videos y'all wanna see. I really don't be knowing like what type of videos y'all wanna see. I know y'all, a lot of y'all fuck with them POV drives though, but you know what I'm saying? I dropped like 4, 5 of them bitches already. So, I mean, if y'all fuck with them, I'll keep dropping them. Whatever. Cool. Y'all hear them pops? Them little small little baby pops. Them little stock pops. That's what you calling them, stock pops. They ain't got no tune on this little bitch. Look, careless mid pops. I did wash this bitch the other day too. The bitch was just sitting in the garage looking clean and shit. So I had to take it off for a little ride, man. I had to take it off for a little ride. Calm down, baby. Calm down, baby. Calm down. That bitch feel like eating, boy. That bitch wanna eat. She can't eat right now, though. Her little feet ball, bro. Her tires gone, man. Her feet gone, bro. Need some tires on the back of that bitch. So that bitch, man. If I had tires on this bitch still gonna spin regardless. It's too fucking cold out here, so bitch gonna spin crazy. Like I hit a fucking tires just hitting the ground like how bald they is. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but yeah, it's bad. I need some tires ASAP. My feet and shit cold. Fuck. Oh shit, I'm way on the other side of the road. Turn the heat on them feet down there. Y'all, I would think about trading the car here, but I'ma wait on it, and then I'm just gonna end up tuning the car. I'm gonna tune it, put ear to 500. Basically, I'm gonna build the Scat. Okay, I'm gonna build it and everything, just thug it out, and give y'all some content from the Scat for a couple, you know what I'm saying, a couple months or a year or two, and then I'm gonna upgrade to get that cat. Cause right now, bro, I ain't gonna lie, they texting for them hellcats. Ooh, man, they know everybody want them bitches right now, bro. I'm talking about 2016 is going for like 60 grand. That shit over with. And I'm not getting no 2016. You know what I'm saying? That's way outdated. I need me a 19 and up. So, and if I do get one, I'm getting a Charger. I had fun with the Challenger. You know what I'm saying? But I think I want a photo. I like how they look. Like Chargers look better than Challengers to me. You know what I'm saying? So that's my focus on right now, is like building the car for now.